The new old stock, NOS and gray market for watches. According to Wikipedia, new old stock, NOS, or old stock for short, refers to aged stock of merchandise that was never sold to a customer and is still new in original packaging. Such merchandise may not be manufactured anymore, and the new old stock may represent the only current source of a particular item. Understanding the gray market and parallel world of watch trading. In the watch industry, you can often see the term gray market, but probably you don't always fully understand it. The gray market for watches refers to a network of unofficial sales channels through which sellers trade watches outside of the authorized distribution system. It means you are not buying it from authorized dealers. While this market is legal, it operates without the endorsement of the brands. In most cases, customers can also buy watches with serious discounts. What is the gray market and where do the watches come from? The gray market for watches refers to selling legitimate unworn timepieces through unofficial channels. These transactions do not occur through the manufacturer's authorized distribution network. Watches in the gray market mostly come from two sources. 1. Authorized dealers. Sometimes authorized retailers have excess inventory, especially in markets where specific models are slow movers. This surplus can end up in the gray market. In some cases, authorized dealers might sell watches to gray market dealers, bypassing the brand's official sales channels. 2. Parallel imports. Buyers purchase watches in countries where prices are lower due to currency fluctuations or lower retail taxes. They then import them into markets with higher demand. For example, someone might buy a watch in Japan, where prices are sometimes lower, and sell it to someone in the USA or Europe. Example: an authorized dealer has a lot of watches in stock from old collections or current ones that they haven't sold. In order to order a new batch, they have to get rid of their stock. Dealers often have specific sales plans that they have to fulfill before they can order more batches of goods. E.g., with new collections. This is where wholesale buyers come in handy, buying up surplus stock. They take everything that the dealer has, but they require discounts to make money on it, but only in combination with watches that can be labeled as slow movers. The gray market dealer needs to purchase this package from the authorized dealer. This way he helps the authorized dealer move the watches with less demand and offers them with discount. Do these watches still have a warranty? One of the most frequently asked questions about gray market watches is whether they come with a valid warranty. Manufacturer warranty. Manufacturers typically offer a warranty of 2 years or more on watches. However, they only officially honor this warranty for watches purchased through authorized dealers. Watches bought from the gray market usually aren't affected by this unless the warranty card isn't filled out properly or the manufacturer learns that the watch, based on its serial number, wasn't purchased from an authorized dealer. 2. Third-party warranties. Many reputable gray market dealers, especially those operating on platforms like Chrono 24, will offer their limited warranties or guarantees. These typically cover repairs but are less comprehensive than manufacturers' warranties. Often, however, the warranty is triggered backwards, so that the manufacturer, who does not accept such practices, sees the watch in the system as sold some time ago. At the same time, the dealer avoids potential warranty costs and protects himself in another matter. If a batch of watches from the market e.g., the USA, suddenly starts flowing into Europe, the manufacturer will realize that the US dealer sold wholesale watches at a discount to a middleman. That is why you often see unfilled warranty cards with a warranty that can be verified on the manufacturer's website. Why do people buy watches from the gray market? There are several reasons buyers buy in the gray market for watches. Most popular reason is to buy watches that authorized dealers no longer carry with discount. It includes the discontinued models but also the current ones. Does it work in other industries too? Of course, in almost every industry, from cars, through luxury goods, to food products. The manufacturer's expectations are one thing, the dealer's sales reality is another. And this is where the so-called gray market comes into play. The most known platforms for buying and selling watches of the gray market is Chrono 24 and Joma Shop. The first one is a marketplace, while the second one is well-known online shop in the USA.